Good morning. I have been asked a few times to share how to do a neti pot, so I'm going to take you through my neti pot today. Okay, it is about 8:30 in the morning. I am about to go gardening and I have my neti pot. I got this at, I think, CVS. It's $15. It's porcelain. It's really nice. Better than the plastic ones. I have 1 cup of previously boiled water that is still warm, and I have mixed my packet of Saline Solution in there. So I'm going to pour it in. Okay, and what I do, it's going to be a little graphic. What I do is I put it into one nostril. Okay, and then I lean over my sink, breathe through my mouth, and then let it flow. And I blow it out. Use a tissue. Okay, and then I do the other side. And I go back and forth till the water's gone. Wash my hands afterward, and I clean my neti pot. And I can breathe easily, all right? The saline is going to help loosen the mucus that's stuck way up in your sinuses. And anything that's getting stuck up there, any dust, allergens, virus, bacteria, it's going to help get it out so that it doesn't breed and replicate. This is safe for everyone. This is safe for pregnant women. This is safe when you're on drugs. If you've had any surgery, you might want to check with your surgeon about when you can do this. But I recommend this to all my patients. It's so good during allergy season. It's so good for colds and viruses. It's so good just to keep things clear. Do not do this 2 hours before you're going to lay down, because what you will notice is that sometimes later, everything that didn't come out at the time that you're doing it might come out later, and you want it to come out your nose. You don't want it to travel down your throat, because that's post-nasal drip, and a lot of people that come in with sore throat, they're usually experiencing post-nasal drip, especially in San Diego, where we have extreme changes in weather. We have a lot of dryness, and so we don't see a lot of runny noses. We actually see that any mucus gets caught and then goes down and creates post-nasal drip. And that's what I see with my patients. And the neti pot will really take care of that for you. So if you have been getting like scratchy sore throat, it might not be coming from just your throat, it might be coming from the post-nasal. So I would recommend this to everyone. I'm obsessed with the neti pot. It is so cheap and easy. You can do it at home, and it's great. And if you have any more questions, let me know.